guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural homemade cream and skin toner for sensitive and allergic skin or for dry skin. To make these cosmetics I'm using mix of oat, rice and flax water. To prepare this kind of water you need about 300 ml of hot distilled water and you have to add 1 tablespoon of oats, 1 tablespoon of rice and 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds. Next cover your glass and keep about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, prepare another heatproof glass and add 2.5 grams of emulsifier, 5 grams of cacao butter and 5 ml of jojoba oil. Place the glass into a water bath formatting emulsifier and cacao butter. After 15 minutes, mix your grains well and strain that to get a clean milky water without any bits. All the ingredients from this wonderful water helps to protect your skin from environmental pollutants, reduce inflammations, moisturize skin and leave your skin smooth and soft. Do not waste anything, you can use the leftover grains for skin mask or scrub. Measure 30 ml of oats, rice and flax meal to mix in it 1 gram of hyaluronic acid. If you don't have a proper way to measure this amount of powder, use 1 ml measure spoon or the end part of the knife. Next, remove the melted oily ingredients from the water bath and mix it well using a mix frother or electric mixer. Now you can add 2.5 ml of avocado oil and mix the mixture well. Add gradually your oats, rice and flax water with hyaluronic acid into the oily phase. The water should be still warm to combine all of the ingredients and avoid separation. The last ingredient is the 5 ml of the glycerin, pinch of xanthan gum to make this emulsion thicker and avoid separation, and 5 drops of preservative to make the cosmetic safe and bacteria and fungi free. Because this cosmetic is made for sensitive and allergic skin, I'm not using any essential oils, which can be too strong for this kind of skin and can be a reason of allergic reaction. But if you are not sensitive for the essential oils, you can also add them to your cream or toner, but not more than 5 drops to 50 ml of your product. Place your cream into a clean and disinfect container and you can enjoy to use it every day. After apply that cream on your skin, it's absorbed quite fast, doesn't leave the oily film on your face, but also moisturize and protect your skin very well, what is very important when you have sensitive or dry skin. Now it's time for facial toner. For better effect, it's very important to having a normal range of pH, which means pH 5, to restore the right balance of your skin. To make an acidic character of your toner, you can use apple cider vinegar or lemon juice. This time I use citric acid. You can buy it in almost every grocery store. But be careful, it's very easy to put too much of it and get to acidic scale. That's why you have to measure pH of your toner. I'm simple using a litmus paper. I used just a 2 small crystals of citric acid and it was enough to balance the toner and get pH of 5. Now you can finish your facial toner. Pour 7 and 5 ml of glycerin to the bottle for your product. My bottle has 150 ml. Next, fill up the bottle using the rest of oat, rice and flax milk, but this time our milky water should be cold, so wait a bit longer if it's still warm. I'm adding 15 drops of preservative because the cosmetics with a natural homemade plant base are not that stable like products without any plant water in it. If you don't want to use a preservative, just make a small bottle of your toner to use it in 1 week and keep it in the fridge. Shake well the bottle and your natural facial toner is ready to use. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed these recipes and see you in the next time. Bye!